So for me, it was only natural that when we got a new project, it made sense to kind of give you a call and just say, look, we're going to do something a bit different. You probably never put a roll cage in one of these.
No, it's the first, isn't it? It's the first one.
Do you want to tell us a little bit more about what we're going to be doing inside the car?
Yeah, so inside we're going to be fully, obviously these are all the dots you can see now. We'll be mapping out the interior, 3D scanning it, creating a CAD version of the CAD model of the car, if you will, that we can sit down and look at the design aspects and build the cage from there. We'll get your seating position in, get you sat in, do some measurements as well, and give you as much room as possible around where you're going to be sat, and focus the protection around you as well, obviously. Yeah, that's it basically.
Sweet. All right, I'll go and get the seat.
Let's get a seat.
So what's around?
Going to be a top flank pedal.
Sun strip's going to be like here.
Yeah, you probably want to try and get a little bit lower. We've got another notch we can go lower on the side mounts.
Yep.
Which is another inch.
Should we try that quick?
Every inch helps, doesn't it?
So I've been told. I feel like I'm going to need more than an inch though. Let's try the inch. Get the hook.
See, so we'll bring the door bars through the gap.
Did you talk about the design for the door bars or anything?
Just two-piece, not the drift style, NASCAR style. We can do the NASCAR style.
I just didn't really want to go into, into the doors and all that sort of stuff because I haven't got. Well, we could, but I just rather. I think just the normal two-piece X would be fine.
I think the hoop's going to sit just behind there. That's going to fall nice as well. The roof line.
Need to probably take this thing off.
Yeah, we'll move all them brackets. These brackets up here as well for all the standard alarm systems and sensor mirrors. We'll unpick all them bits off. Keep the centre structure in the roof to support the carbon roof. Put your cross up in the roof.
So any time we can make up right now would be great, but of course we don't want to put anyone under serious pressure or rush anything. We want the car to be the very best it can be, and I'm sure the guys here at SW Motorsport are going to make that happen. So 7 days time, or 10, we're looking forward to seeing it finished.